In this video, you will learn eco-friendly bathroom materials ideas, so let's start. In today's world, sustainability is a necessity and the bathroom offers a unique opportunity for eco-friendly transformation. Opting for sustainable materials can create a relaxing oasis while reducing your carbon footprint. Eco-friendly materials go beyond aesthetics. They offer durability and reduce waste, aligning with modern sensibilities of style and comfort. From bamboo flooring to reclaimed wood, there are numerous stylish and sustainable options. Bamboo flooring is a top contender for eco-friendly bathroom flooring. It's a highly renewable resource, harvested in just 3 to 5 years, and is about 25% harder than oak, offering both aesthetics and durability. Recycled tiles are another excellent option, made from repurposed materials such as glass, porcelain, and ceramic. These tiles reduce landfill waste and allow for creative, stylish designs in your bathroom. Cork flooring blends comfort with environmental consciousness. Sourced from the bark of cork oak trees, it provides warmth and sound absorption. Its natural resistance to mold makes it perfect for damp bathroom environments. For wall treatments, biodegradable paint is an eco-friendly choice. Made from natural ingredients, it promotes a healthier indoor environment without compromising on vibrant color options. Reclaimed wood panels add rustic charm while saving trees. Sourced from old barns or deconstructed homes, these panels create a warm, earthy vibe and reduce landfill waste. Recycled wallpaper offers stylish decor with minimal environmental impact. Crafted from post-consumer waste, it provides a chic enhancement while keeping waste out of landfills. Low-flow toilets are a critical upgrade, using significantly less water than traditional models. Dual flush systems allow for further water conservation by offering two flush options. LED lighting is an energy-efficient solution for bathroom illumination. Using about 75% less energy than incandescent bulbs, LEDs offer long-lasting, stylish lighting options. Faucet aerators reduce water usage without sacrificing performance. By introducing air into the water flow, they maintain pressure while cutting water consumption nearly in half. Recycled glass countertops add aesthetic appeal and environmental benefits to your bathroom. Crafted from post-consumer glass, these vibrant surfaces divert waste from landfills. Salvaged fixtures bring character and charm to your bathroom while preserving resources. Vintage items like clawfoot tubs offer unique craftsmanship and reduce the carbon footprint of new production. Organic cotton towels and rugs enhance the bathroom's atmosphere sustainably. Produced without harmful pesticides, they provide luxurious comfort while minimizing environmental impact. Linen shower curtains offer breathability and moisture-wicking properties. Crafted from natural fibers, they add elegance and durability, making them a stylish and practical choice for any eco-friendly bathroom.